If you have skin issues, I don't care what it is, the issue is a kidney issue. You have to understand that your skin is the largest eliminative organ of the body. It's also known as the third kidney. And when your kidneys are not functioning properly, your body is going to throw the burden onto the skin. When you see stuff coming up in your skin, I don't care what you call it, it's a lymphatic issue and a kidney issue. You need to get to the source. The source is fix the kidneys. Get the lymphatic system moving, fix the adrenals, okay? You need to stop eating the foods you're currently eating and go on 100% fruits and use herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels. Use some kidney teas. You should get the kidneys to filter. You should see stuff in your urine when you pee in a jar. You will see mucus and small particles. That's metabolic waste. You need to see that. When you see that the kidneys are working properly, the skin will have less of a burden on it. It will clear up all the hardened mucus underneath the skin, and you get relief. This is how you fix skin issues. You cannot put a cream on top of it and hope for the best. You need to go to the source, fix the root cause. 100% fruits and herbs.